guys, I wanted to tell you about something that I've really been enjoying lately. It's this Faux Era winged eyeliner stamp. Yes, a stamp. I don't know about you guys, but I always have like this brilliant idea to do a wing liner when I'm in a rush. What the hell? And I still never really quite get my wings even, so I thought this would be an awesome thing to try. It has a left side and a right side. So I'm going to show you how this works. We're gonna get a little closer. So this is what the stamp looks like. So obviously you have to line this part up with the outer corner of your eye. And you just stamp. That's it. I'm gonna do the other side to show you. So this is the other side. Looks the same. Line it up with the edge of your eye. Make sure you kind of point the same direction. But look at that, nice even wings. This was like $7 on Amazon because, you know, I keep finding random Amazon makeup finds. This is amazing, like really, really great. The only thing is that I always go over it with a other kind of liner. This is the Wet n Wild Makeup Breakup, but my favorite is the NYX Matte eyeliner. The reason for that is that this does flake off. So the first time that I used it, I didn't put anything over it, and by the end of the day it was just gone. And eyeshadow might work too, but I just like to use the same liquid liner that I'm using on the lash line. So I just draw the line across, and then I just do tiny little strokes over the wing. Just to make sure that everything matches up. See? Super simple. And what I like to do, the reason I like these kinds of liners best is because you can stamp them on and they always stay moist. I feel like the pens, they dry up so quickly. So this, I just stamp it on just like that over the stamp itself. I love it. I've had it for, I'd say, roughly a month now, and it's been incredible. My liners are always even. I'm actually doing wings now, which I haven't been doing for a while because they are so time consuming. But overall, I definitely would say that this stamp liner is a must-have. Super quick, great for beginners, great for when you're in a rush. I can't tell you how long it lasts, but I've had it a month and I use it a few times a week, and it's really good. It'd be really cool if it came in other colors. I'm not sure, I'm gonna look into that. But let me know if you guys have tried some kind of stamp liner like this. I've seen others on the market, but they're like 20 bucks, and I didn't really want to spend that kind of money on something like this. But if you've tried something like this, or if you know a better brand, let me know. But that is my mini review on this Faux Era winged eyeliner stamp. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.